Hello babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make rosemary essential oil. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using some dried rosemary leaves. Babies, you can go ahead and use fresh ones if you prefer fresh ones. Then I'll also be using original olive oil as my carrier oil and my homemade onion oil. So I'll be leaving a link down below to a video on how to make your own onion oil. So this is my rosemary leaves after grinding it. I had to grind it so that it would be easier for the nutrients to get sucked into the oil. So this is me pouring my olive oil into a container. Guys, you can actually use another carrier oil like coconut oil. I just prefer using olive oil. I don't know why. Then I'll go ahead and add my own homemade onion oil. Do not forget to watch this video, guys. It's very important. Onion oil has a whole lot of benefits. I don't even want to go into it. Just go ahead and watch that video. So this is me stirring, the oil so that it gets mixed together very well. We all know rosemary has a whole lot of benefits to the body, to the hair. It has a whole lot of benefits. Rosemary contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can stimulate hair growth. Rosemary can help reduce hair breakage. Rosemary helps to reduce scalp inflammation, and it even helps to stimulate blood supply to the hair. Rosemary can straighten the hair and strengthen the scalp. So you see, rosemary has a whole lot of benefits when it comes to using it in your hair care journey. So please do not forget to add rosemary to your list of hair care products. Okay guys, I'll just leave you guys to watch this video for a while. I'll be back.
For some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So after stirring this, I'll cover it and I'll leave it for about 1 week. You can leave yours for about 2 days, but me, I love going overboard with my hair products, so I'll be leaving it for about 1 week. Okay babies, this is 1 week later. I am so excited about this oil. It scents, like the scent is very nice. It smells very nice. Rosemary has this, I call it, this minty smell or minty feel. So I'll go ahead and drain my rosemary oil. You can use your sieve, you can use any other means of draining. You can use socks, you can use anything, whatever makes you feel good. So this is me draining the oil from the rosemary. So babies, if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, hit that like button, share with your friends. We all know sharing is caring. Thank you. So after draining my rosemary oil, I'll go ahead and look for an airtight container, sterilize it either by boiling or any other method of sterilization, and then transfer my oil into this container. So this is the end of this video, babies. You can go ahead and add any other essential oil like your vitamin E or any other thing. You can even add your own fragrance oil to it if you don't like the smell. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.